Hello, Mr. Harry, and all of my friends who watch this video. Good evening. So evening because we are recording this at 7:30 p.m. So it's already evening. So here we are. With we three of us will doing the peer review about our literature review about our research methodology. So here we are, consists of three people. First is me, Satya Suryadi Dharma, and there's two of my partner. First is Renal Ridana Pratama, and also Kadek Krishna Wijaya. So without any further ado, we will start our peer review about our literature review. The first peer review will start by Krishna. For Krishna, time is yours.
Hello Satya, thanks for the time given to me. So I will give a comment about your literature review. The title is the relationship between English language education, learner TOEFL anxiety, and their performance on TOEFL test. I have read about your literature review. I think it's very good. From what I read before, you have written all about the variable and then you relate them one by one to your research topic. And your literature review is also easier to read and understand. Starting from the understand of the TOEFL test, the purpose of the TOEFL test, the types of the TOEFL test, and other. So I think what Satya wrote is more than enough as a basic foundation for literature review. And next for renal literature review, and the title about correlation online games player unknown battleground or PUBG to listening and speaking skill of SMA and for Singaraja student. From what I read in the literature review, you have written many special insight and opinion from expert. Besides that, you have identified detailed article in clear and easy to understand too. Language for reader. Maybe I have a little advice from you to always check for plagiarism to what the rating becomes more relevant and acceptable. So that's the comment for Satya and Renal. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Krishna, for your comment about my literature review and renal literature review. So next, it is my turn to give a comment on Krishna's literature review and renal literature review. So I will start first from Krishna literature review with the title about the correlation between the use of English novel media as a learning media and EFL student vocabulary. So first, your literature review is great and already good enough. What you talk in the literature review is based on your title and what research you gonna do. What you talk in the literature review is what the variable you are used in your research. You talk about novels, types of novel, learning media, and types of learning media. It is already good, but your based on my what I read, your literature review is seems not finished yet, right? Yeah, because I see in the types of learning media, there's two short explanation, and then a little suggestion from me is you need to add more scientific approach. It means you take the argument from other studies or previous studies. Then in the types of novel, I think you don't need to mention the best novel in each type of genre, but just mention random one or two novels that maybe can use a student as a reference. But it's not a big problem. I think if you keep it up, it's just based on your one. Next, my suggestion is you need to explain more about the types of learning media and then relating them to the novel. You need to tell that novels are included in what types of learning media. Maybe it is visual media, audio media, and etc. You also may add the benefit of using learning media rather than a not. Then you need to write empirical review from the previous study and divide it from the theoretical review. My literature review also didn't have the empirical review yet, so this same problem. The same problem for me. We need to write empirical review. And last advice from me is don't plagiarize. You can add theory from other article, but don't forget to paraphrase it so you are safe. Okay, so that's my comment, Krishna. Next, I will give comment to Renal Literature Review with the title "The Correlation of Online Game Player Unknown Battleground or PUBG to Listen and Speaking Skills of SMAN for Singaraja Student." So, and first I will give appreciation to you. Your literature review is also already great, Renal, like Krishna's literature review. You take the theory from the previous or related study, and in explaining the theory you get, you cite the source also, which make your theoretical review is strong. So a little suggestion from me is you better to explain the four language skill in English first. Four language in English is blah, 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 blah. And then you continue to focusing on listening and speaking like you already made. And then next in the PUBG theoretical explanation, I suggest you to explain more about PUBG. Like in PUBG, we can talk with our teammate or enemy which they are from another country, so we can increase our listening or speaking skill, like that, for example. So by doing that, you will have a strong literature review. And then last, same like Krishna's, you need to write empirical review, same like me also, from the previous research, and don't plagiarize. Remember to paraphrase you so you can save. So that's all about my comment on your two literature review. For the next comment, are the Renal turn. For Renal, time is yours.
Okay, Satya, thank you for the time. So first, thank you for all of your suggestion. I'll take a note for that. So this is my turn to give your comment about literature review. So first, I will give comment for Krishna. So for Krishna, I'm very glad to you brought up the research topic that involves the use of literary works such as novel. As we know, literary works are authentic learning media that are rich in extraordinary benefits if we are able to apply them comprehensively. And talking about the literature review that you have made, I think it is good. You provide an understanding about the novel and also learning media with expert opinions. Maybe I think you should add what is the meaning of vocabulary. Then I also think you should not only use one expert opinion, but use the opinion of other experts, and then summarize it with your understanding. And one more thing, I think you should also determine a novel that will be used in your research so that your research is more focused and specific. Okay, next is about my comment for Satya. For Satya, I'm very interested with your topic and talk about the literature review. Same as Krishna, I think you have made a good literature review, and according to the topic you have chosen. And you have explained about the TOEFL test, then also you have explained what anxiety is. And one more thing that I think is good is that you use the opinions of experts, which are very good at strengthening an opinion. A little advice from me, the same as Krishna, maybe you can add the opinion of expert and not just from one opinion. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Renal, for your comment. So, Mr. Harry and all of my friends, that's all about our peer review about three of us literature review. So I'm sorry if there are any mistake. So thank you. Good evening. Goodbye.